Alam mo ba, during an oil crisis, most hospitals focus on one thing. Tumataas ang gastos. Fuel, kuryente, supplies, logistics. Pero ito ang hindi nila napapansin. Hindi lang cost ang problema. Ang tunay na problema, margin compression. Because habang tumataas ang gastos, hindi tumataas ang bayad ng PhilHealth. Fixed ang case rate. Ibig sabihin, mas mahal mong ginagamot ang pasyente, pero pareho lang ang bayad. So what happens? Bawat pasyente, nagiging mas mahal i-handle at mas maliit ang kita. At dito nagiging critical ang claims. Before the crisis, kapag may na-deny na claim, sayang, pero kaya pa. Pero ngayon, hindi na pwede. Because every denied claim today is not just lost income. It is a double loss. Gumastos ka na, hindi ka pa binayaran. Let me give you a simple example. Case rate, 30,000. Before the crisis, cost mo 20,000. May kita ka na 10,000. After the oil crisis, cost mo naging 25,000. Kita mo bumaba to 5,000. Now imagine, na-deny ang claim, wala kang 30,000, pero nagastos mo na ang 25,000. That is a direct loss. So now, let me be clear. During a crisis, claims are no longer administrative. Claims become survival. That's why hospitals need to shift. First, from processing claims to protecting revenue. Hindi na ito paperwork. Ito na ang income mo. Second, from fixing after denial to preventing before submission. Kapag na-deny na, late ka na, you need pre-bill control. Review bago i-submit. Third, from doctor independence to documentation alignment. Because PhilHealth does not see your patient, they see your documentation. Kung mahina ang sulat, mahina ang bayad. Fourth, from volume strategy to value per case strategy. Hindi sapat na marami ang pasyente. Kung mali ang claims, mas marami kang lugi. So what should hospitals do? Build a claims protection system. Kailangan may visibility ka. Alam mo dapat ilan ang denied, magkano ang nawawala, saan nanggagaling ang errors. Kailangan may pre-bill evaluation. Final check bago i-submit para hindi ka umaasa sa tsamba. Kailangan may documentation standards. Hindi pwedeng kanya-kanya. Checklist, alignment. Kailangan maayos ang coding, hindi pwedeng kulang ang diagnosis. Hindi pwedeng may namimiss na procedures. Higit sa lahat, kailangan may governance, monitoring, may accountability. Because here is the truth. Hindi mo control ang oil price. Hindi mo control ang inflation. Hindi mo control ang PhilHealth rates. Pero may isang bagay kang kontrolado. Claim system mo sa panahon ng crisis. Mga hospital na mag-survive, hindi yung may pinakamaraming pasyente, kundi yung may pinakamaayos na sistema. Yung kayang i-protect bawat claim, bawat case, tang bawat piso. Because in today's environment, every peso matters. Tang tanong, poprotektahan mo ba ito? Unti-unti na itong nawawala.